Hi guys, Aspen here from Drone in Asia. Today I'm gonna run a little bit. The weather is absolutely beautiful. It's 15 degrees, 7 o'clock in the evening. I'm gonna run on a track today, a 400 meter running track, because of my legs. I have some kind of infection in my knee, so I have to run on some softer track, so just to test out my knee. But yeah, the weather is absolutely beautiful, and I love running. This year has been too little running compared to last year, but the reason is that my knee, I have some problems with my knee, so I just have to take it a little bit easy. I do a lot of hiking, of course, but that's not running. It's some kind of training, but not running. But I love to be outside, and running is a big hobby of mine. Taking care of my health is important. So today I'm gonna try to get a 10K on the track. I'm not quite sure if that's possible, but I have to try it, because yeah, I'm in pretty good shape, but my leg is not that great. So I'm just gonna test it today, and of course I'm gonna fly my drone a little bit if the weather is like this. It's beautiful outside now. It's a little bit windy, but that's not a problem for the Mini 2. It's a great little drone. So I'm gonna do a test run just to see how my knees are holding up, and yeah, and of course I'm gonna throw in some footage with my Dji Mini 2. Great little drone, I love it so much. So I really hope you enjoy my content, and of course will subscribe to my channel. The support means so much to me. Okay guys, we're getting close to the running track, and I see a bunch of cars, so it's a bunch of people here. That's normal when the weather is like this, but hopefully I can do some running on the track. If not, I'm gonna run outside of the track. It's pretty nice to run there too. So
you know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words